Hey guys, Sam Lieberson here with Edina Realty, and today I'm joined by Shane. Why are words so hard for me
Again.
still? Even like, what is it, 3
50th
weeks
video?
later?
Yeah.
It's fine, no big deal. But today is finally our carpool karaoke
There
part.
you go.
Yay.
There you go.
And then we are going to drive to Badger Hill, and we will show you guys a little bit about that. But it is time. And right now we got some
What do we have? We have a little Usher
Usher.
throwback radio, Pandora throwback radio.
That's so good. It is
It is Sam's jam, is what I just figured out. So even though
Hey, we can put on Prince radio, and that's your
true.
jam
that's,
too.
That's a good point. That's a good point. For those who don't know, I'm a big Prince fan. That's very Minnesotan. I understand that. But, I grew up in the 80s, so it's just Prince, man. And Michael Jackson, but I don't think you're supposed to talk about that anymore, maybe?
Yeah, I don't know.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's fine.
Prince, but I can go any really Janya.
Janya.
Yeah.
Janya.
Wow, now I can't talk. You're rubbing off on me.
It's contagious. Sorry.
So I can go OAR. I can go Kenny Chesney.
Mm-hmm.
My wife is a huge country music fan, so like literally the only concerts we go to are country concerts.
Okay.
But
What was the last concert you were at?
We were at Kenny, in fact, and we're going back
Was that May?
2nd. We're going to Kenny.
That was Garth Brooks.
That was
May.
Garth Brooks.
When was Kenny? Where was Kenny?
Where was Kenny? Well, it's been a while.
Kenny
So we've been to Kenny at Target Field, at Lambeau Field, and now we're going to see him at US Bank Stadium in May. So there you go. Look at that.
Well,
So
my birthday's in May. Just so
yeah. The whole month we should probably celebrate that, or
yeah,
Got it.
obviously.
Got it. Okay.
It's my birth month. Sorry, I
Month.
misspoke
Got
there.
it. It's not a date. It's a month.
Not a day.
Yeah.
It's a month.
A month.
Gotta celebrate it. It's fine.
So we are in the big bad town of Prior Lake right now,
Yes.
or Savage. Wait, we're in this
We
weird
are
spot where
on
there's
the
kind of-
border.
Yeah, right on the border.
We're
Okay.
crossing the border.
Okay. And we're
right
going to
now.
Badger Hill, which is, in my opinion, the best brewery in the South Metro. No
Hands
offense
down.
to anybody else out there, but
You are good too.
yes, but we love some Badger Hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Badger snack.
Mm.
That one's probably my favorite. I don't know. You like the Trader, right?
I'm a Trader IPA man.
He's a Trader, and
Well, there's that.
we don't like him. No.
But IPAs are my thing, So not
the
yours,
Trader is good though.
Yeah.
Especially during the summer when they do the blood orange.
Yep. For sure.
And then last summer they had just like the R3 Refresh or something, which was the sour.
Oh,
The black or raspberry sour.
Yep.
Blackberry sour?
Do you know that Badger Hill now has like hard seltzers?
I did not.
So if you like White
We'll have
Claws,
to-
well, go to Badger Hill. You get one of those.
White
there,
Claws,
basically.
no laws.
No laws when you're drinking White Claws.
Truly. He must have an Android. Did you see that video?
Yes. So good. So good.
I'm so
T-Pain, I don't know. Are we supposed to talk about real estate?
No.
No. Good. That's what we're going 350 probably, but whatever.
Just busy or what's going on?
We are pulling into Badger Hill as we speak. Badger Hill Brewing. And
Front
we've
row
got a front row spot. Bam. Sam's driving like crazy again.
It's fine.
It's fine.
What's
Everything's
new?
fine.
But it is now time for us to go in. So excited for this.
Thursday beers. Who doesn't
Oh my
like
gosh.
Thursday beers?
I thought I stopped it, but I didn't. So that's
Still
neat.
going.
Woo!